Welcome back to another tornado warning video. This is for Sterling, Nickerson, Alden, Raymond, Willowbrook, and Plevna, Kansas, until 7:45 p.m. Eastern Central Daylight Time. If I butcher the name of any of these locations, please correct me in the comment section below. But either way, tornado is confirmed. Could end up being damaging with this line of towns. Golf ball size hail, just under 6,000 people, and 6 schools affected by this. Abbeville, Partridge, Hutchinson, and Arlington, heads up, you're next. Stay safe, and, well, see you in the next video.